As the super popular TV shows in India like Bigg Boss, Indian Idol do not reveal the results of audience voting, in this video we are going to build one more transparent and world's most simple voting solution. And one of my viewers who builds it gets 5,100 rupees. In this video, I am also going to reveal the winner of 5,000 rupees from my previous video, and he is someone who developed an application for the first time. And his reaction when he received the money was really awesome. And to watch his reaction, make sure you watch this video till the end. By the way, even if you are not interested in the technical details, you can still watch this video so that when the next time you meet your technical friends, you can beat them at their own game. What we are going to do is build a two-page web application that users will use to vote for their favorite contestant. As soon as the user clicks on the vote, their data will be processed and gathered in the backend and stored in a database. This data will then be used to display the trends on the same page. But before we dive into the solution, you need to understand why this problem is important. It is unfair for the audience who are viewing these shows because sometimes they even pay for these votes, and in return they don't even get to see the results. While on the other hand, the contestants who spend their day and night to win these shows may get eliminated unfairly. And as an engineer myself, I can share with you how to build a better and more transparent voting system. The first page will show all the TV shows that are currently accepting the votes, and upon clicking that TV show, the users will see all the contestants that they want to vote for. Upon voting for a contestant, they would see the trend of the current voting. And if this sounds complicated, you can just give this prompt to ChatGPT and it will generate all the code for you. And now we are going to build the backend for the system where we are going to handle all the requests that are coming from the users when they click on the vote button. We are going to use AWS Lambda, which you can consider something like a robot who's ready to do anything on your command, and it does it very quickly and efficiently. Here is how the backend Lambda would look like after adding the code. If you are thinking how to get this code, then I have prepared a detailed document with the files having all the code that you need and the steps for this video. Now I will show you how to create a DynamoDB table. Just enter some details and there you are. By the way, while I have put all the information and the code related to this video in this document, you can also read more about AWS DynamoDB or AWS Lambda on ChatGPT or Google Bard. Now let's take a detour to one of the most exciting parts of this video is to meet Sanskar, who is the winner of my previous giveaway video. Yeah, so since you completed my video and you said that you completed the things that I told in the video, if you are subscribed to my channel and you can show to me that you are subscribed to my channel right now, I will pay you 5,000 rupees right now.
Yes, yeah. How did
Okay. So you are subscribed to my channel, so we can officially say that you are the winner of my first video, first ever winner who has got 5,000 rupees.
I was not expecting that I will be the winner of this. When you commented on my video, I was like not even aware of that I can be winning, and I didn't even check it at first, and it took me a day to check it.
2, 3, and there you are. I sent it to you.
Thank you. It was really I was never expecting that I will be the winner.
How do you feel about it? Like now you have the money, so how do you feel about it?
It was amazing. As I said, it was my first time ever winning a giveaway. It will even motivate me to further check out more stuff about AWS and get into it. Damn, good money to me. I might probably even save it. This is first money I won.
Oh my God, that is so nice, right? I feel so happy with it. I cannot imagine how happy do I feel after sharing this thing with you. And thank you so much. Then this is all that I had. And now let's get back to the application that we were building. The only thing that is left is to integrate this backend with the frontend. To do that, what we are going to do is directly invoke the backend AWS Lambda from the frontend. Although we generally don't call the Lambda directly from frontend, but in this case, we will do it by using the user credentials. We need to go to IAM and create a user and then create the credentials. These credentials are very confidential, so don't share with anyone or don't push them on the Git. You now paste those credentials inside your JavaScript on the front end, and then you will be able to call the Lambda. And that's pretty much it that you have to do to build this application. And don't get me wrong, what I described has some flaws with it, but this is good enough to start learning AWS Lambda and how you can use it from front end, because this app is just meant for beginners and not for a production environment. If you have any doubt with any part of it, or you would like to deep dive into it more with me, then feel free to leave a comment and I will be very happy to connect with you. But otherwise, get going, develop this, experiment using your AWS account and leave a comment for you to become eligible for 5,100 rupees giveaway. If you would like to solve other similar problems, then don't forget to watch this next video and subscribe my channel. Also, feel free to share on any topics that you want me to make video on in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.